Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since my last post, but I was working on this mini album and I wanted to share it with you guys since I know I haven't posted in some time now. I had to take a little break away from my crafting because I have a lot of stuff going on right now in my life, but as I told you guys before, whenever I get a chance to do some crafting and to post some uploads, I'm definitely going to do that to share the projects that I've worked on with you guys. So this is an 8x10 mini album, and I made this album in one day, which I'm proud of because usually it takes me several days to make an album because I'm all over the place most of the time. Um, Anyways, just going to be a quick share, and you will notice that there are photos already in this album, but I just wanted to share this album with you. Again, this is a 8x10 portrait orientation album. So stands up like that. It may be a glare because on top of my mom's picture I did put a piece of clear acetate just to kind of protect the picture. I added some flowers that I had in my stash for a long time. I popped the picture up on a piece of chipboard that I matted with this gold foil cardstock that I got from Michael's, and you'll see that I use that gold foil cardstock throughout the project. Also, I'll share with you guys the paper collection that I used, or the paper pad that I used. I got this. This is a 12x12 collection from Michael's called Sage Park, and they had their hot buy paper pads and hot buy items on sale for buy one get two free. So I got this one. I also got the modern farmhouse one, which is this. And I also got When Life Gives You Lemons, and that's what this looks like. So some really nice paper pads. So basically I got 3 of them for $20. I also used this clear acetate, the 12x12 ones. I just cut them down, which also came from Michael's, and I shared these with you guys previously in a haul. These were on a clearance and I'm finally able to use them. I decided to start topping my pictures in my handmade albums, topping my pictures with the acetate to help protect the pictures. So I still have quite a bit of the paper from this collection left. I tried to use a piece of each kind of paper in this project, but just doing a quick little flip through just to show you what they look like. And then I'm just going to go ahead and get into showing you this album. I have to take it to my mom. We gave my mom a surprise retirement dinner party. She worked on her job for 46 years and she's retired now. So we gave her a dinner party, and I wanted to scrapbook the pictures from that dinner party, so I decided to make a mini album and put all the photos from there, and that was related to her retirement in this book. So you open up the book, and in the front inside cover I just put this pocket. In here is pocket page, and I just put the word congrats and those puffy stickers right there, and it's gold. I just added some of the cut aparts from the collection in that pocket. Right here is a gatefold page right here, and I did one of those little floating mats on top with magnets. So it could go on here either way. So if I wanted to add a picture here, or my mom wanted to add a picture here, she could, or she can just go with that, and it just stays in place. If you can see the indents from the 2 magnets, I actually pressed a little too hard when I was adding those magnets in there, but it's fine. So when you open this up, I added this little clear waterfall to showcase some of the pictures from her retirement party. And it just flips up like that. Her and us and family and the guests at the party. My kids, I made those aprons for them because she always calls them my grands. So on the aprons, I put the grands, and they actually were the servers at the dinner party. So I thought that was really cute. That's them messing around before the party. Yeah, so that's what that looks like. Thought that was cute to add just a clear flip waterfall in there. So that closes back up and it just stays in place. There's also pull-out pages on each signature, and there's only 3 signatures here. So this is another pretty nice size picture on this pull apart here. So that looks like that, and they all just stick back in there. And with these kind of albums, when you're taking the photos in and out and manipulating the pages, turning the pages and stuff, sometimes your photos will be scratched if you don't have something to protect them. So that's why I thought about the acetate. So this flips over, and this is a mirror page. So I made these pages to look similar, or to look alike, I should say. And so this is a flip, and this is at her job. When she was at work, they gave her a little retirement party. The kids went up there, and these are some of her co-workers that was congratulating her. So I did want to add this in here since it was related to her retirement. So this flips open, and there is a picture of her with me, my sister, and my brother. As y'all know, my dad passed away in February, so he didn't live long enough to make it. Anyway, here are some larger photos that I love this size album because I was able to incorporate some large photos of my mom and guests at the party. And so this side flips open like that, and just more photos from that time. And here's another pull out, and it's just basically to show you how you can add your photos. So this page right here has a flip out, and it's a side pocket. So I plan on putting more of the cut aparts from the collection in there, because really this book was just for the photos from the party. So here is another waterfall, and this one holds the 4x6 pictures that I cropped maybe half an inch off just to make sure they fit, but this is how that looks. And just I just got some pictures of the dinner settings and the table settings, the champagne glasses, the cake. You know, the champagne, we had the bottles customized with her picture and the retirement sign on there. And that's the aprons, the grands, and that's the grands. So that's that. And I just put a sheer ribbon closure. This green is so pretty on there, and just tie it to keep them closed down. I just thought this was really pretty paper. I love this design right there. So then this is another pull out with more picture on it. And also, I knew she would love that picture of the grands, so I made that one big and put them on there. And then the back pocket, since she didn't get one of the invites because it was a surprise, obviously, she mentioned after the party that she never got a chance to see what her invitations look like. So I did add this pocket. It's magnetized and it has a clear little acetate window with the invitation. So this was the invitation, and then on the back was her photo for everybody. So everybody went home with one of her photos, or everybody received one of her photos. And this is just an extra picture that I had. I just stuck it back there but that's some of her grands. And that just flips down, and that is the album. The back of the cover looks like this, just in the spine. But yeah, that is the album, guys. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Feel free to comment below. I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for sticking in there with me, even though I haven't been posting regularly lately. But I promise you guys, whenever I work on a project or have the time, I will definitely come on and share some crafty goodness with you guys. So again, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.